I thought it might be also interesting to talk about some of the don'ts when it comes to charcoal, as well as the do's. Don't number one, don't buy briquettes. Always buy Lumpwood charcoal. It's the stuff we're using in here. It comes from an actual tree. The way it's made is that wood is heated to a very, very high temperature in a low oxygen environment, turns into charcoal, burns for a long time, burns very consistently, doesn't produce much in the way of smoke. It's perfect for cooking. Briquettes, on the other hand, are made by flakes of charcoal bound together with things like chalk and fillers and additives and accelerants and stuff like that. Got a lot of chemicals in it. Do not use briquettes. The other thing that's important is that you should always use locally sourced charcoal. Don't get stuff that comes particularly from other continents, because they put chemicals on it on the ship to stop it catching fire. You do not want those on your food. The other thing to be really wary of is the words restaurant grade. It doesn't actually mean anything. Charcoal is largely unregulated. There is no standard grade for restaurant grade, home grade, cooking for the queen grade. No, she's dead, isn't she? Cooking for the king grade. There is no official grading of charcoal. So restaurant grade might sound nice in terms of words, but it doesn't actually mean anything. What you want is a British Lumpwood sustainably sourced charcoal, and usually from a single species. Things like ash, beech, birch, oak, British hardwood trees. That is what is going to get you the best result in terms of flavour, in terms of cooking, and you know you're doing the right thing by the environment.